Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a completely brand new car detailing layout pack we think you're going to love. This car detailing layout pack provides a beautifully polished design for any website in the auto industry looking to promote their services in style. There are dedicated pages and sections for featuring car detailing services, promotions, contact info, and much more. So go ahead and take it for a spin today. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new car detailing layout pack on your own website. Now, before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. There, make sure and enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes. Then you'll have access to all of the pre-made layouts from within the Divi Builder without any problems. Once done, you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. And we'll want to select Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Car Detailing Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see all of the different layout packs included. On the right, go ahead and select the one that you want, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, you'll have free reign to go ahead and edit this page using the Divi Builder. And don't forget to save the draft or publish the page. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages, and then go ahead and add each of those corresponding pre-made car detailing layouts to your pages. And then you're ready to create your menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see a list of all of the different pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. Make sure and organize your menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location to Primary Menu, and then click Save Menu. Once you're done adding your main menu to your website, you're ready to create a static home page. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then for the home page, go ahead and select your home page with its corresponding homepage pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new car detailing layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. And we look forward to seeing you in our next video.